Have you ever been told that making peanut butter in a small or less powerful blender is impossible? Well, that's not true, because today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter in any blender, no matter the wattage or potency. So now let's do this. Here I have about 4 cups roasted peanuts or ground nuts. I'm going to dry them out a little more in the oven for about 2 minutes to ensure that the peanut butter we'll make won't go stale quickly. Now that they are ready, we'll get out some peanut oil or any light tasting or neutral oil. I'll be adding the oil into the blender before adding the peanuts. I know this is different from what you've seen elsewhere, but dear friend, that's what's going to help your blender move and do the work without putting too much strain on the engine. We'll go ahead and pause the blender for 1 minute. We'll scrape down the sides and plunge the nuts down with the help of a tamper or a long wooden spoon. Then we'll pause again for another 1 minute and repeat the process until we get our desired consistency. So here's the trick. I've done this a lot in my blender, so I know my blender can go 2 to 3 cups without any problem. But if this is your first time trying this, I would advise you go in batches, 1 cup at a time until you get your desired consistency. Then you repeat the process with the remaining cups of peanuts. And if you're worried about the quantity of oil we're using, that's no problem because you can scoop that out after a day or 2 when the oil settles at the top of the peanut butter. You can also add honey or sweetener of your choice while blending the peanuts. And there you have it, friends, peanut butter in a blender. Any blender can do this. So no more buying peanut butter, grab your blender and let's do this. After a day or 2, I always scoop out the oil that sits at the top of the peanut butter. And as you can see, the peanut butter is thicker and richer in texture, which makes it perfect for spreading on toast or dipping with apples. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I truly appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.